Just a little more. Oh. That's good. Hi.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Getting hooked up now, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Hello, hello. We're getting ready to head out.
Yep.
Going to
Deam's Lake.
Deam's Lake.
Yeah, I hear you.
Going to be the first. He's excited, like all of us.
Yeah.
It's going to be the first time we've been to Deam's Lake, so it's going to be an educational experience, and
Yeah.
we'll bring you guys along, and we'll have a good time. It's going to be a beautiful day.
Yeah. Should get some beautiful colors on the road on the way there. So we've got Evan with us, and Molly gets to come this time too. Yes, she's so happy.
Love us.
Yeah.
Love
Yes,
us.
Molly loves us.
Molly's gonna love us.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Hit the road.
See that sound like goes. Hey, hello. Oh, that's so
Thank
you.
really
You
fun.
too.
Okay, so one of the joys of camping is when you get to watch other people park. Yeah, it's entertaining. So we're waiting. Somebody in front of us is backing into their spot, so we have to wait because we can't get through. But it's also entertaining.
Yeah, I was going to wait
So-
anyway.
Yeah.
Toto!
Ta-ta.
Set up the GoPro, move the table. Bring it back to the driver's side a bit. Okay, just come straight. Okay, you stop. So, you were telling Molly to stay here?
Yeah, because he's not getting in the window.
Yeah. Yeah. She doesn't need to get in the window, does she?
No.
Molly?
Molly, don't be sad, Molly.
We'll get out in just a minute, Molly. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Stay here.
We're good.
Are we juiced up?
Yep. When I plugged it in, the plug's not real tight,
Oh.
so I might put some electric grease on it, and we should be good. We're ready to unhook and drop.
Okay.
Getting close?
Oh, yeah, we're in.
Use what?
I was taking video. I was doing my job.
Gawking, what?
I was spinning the camera around. Okay, so stabilizers. He's telling us how to do it. Yeah, that's good.
Ken,
No, we don't have your tent. We got you a camper. But we did. Like these.
Oh, thanks.
And we brought these.
And we
Your
got
headlamp.
puppets. Okay.
You want your toys?
No, thank you.
Okay.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Woohoo!
What do you think, bud?
Oh,
Is that a good enough step?
that is so tight.
I know. Come here, Molly.
This is the first time you've ever been here?
Yes. It is gorgeous.
I don't have any sticks.
It's
I don't have any sticks to watch.
Did you bring them all?
Yeah, I think all
You're
of them.
awesome. Thank you. Good job.
good job.
Good.
The color is about
About
as
as
full
good
as
as
you're
it's
going to
gonna
get. Yeah. Because after
gone.
after this weekend, 90% of it's going to be gone.
Yep. That sun shining through those leaves right now. Good night.
Yep, it's on fire.
I think we want to go here.
Right here's it, huh?
These are called turpentines. It's supposed to be good for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
See how they kind of look like a turkey's tail?
Yeah, I see that. Got the rings in it. What's this trail called? The Vista Loop. We've made it to the tippy top. You can see the tower over there. That's a pretty good hike. Oh, wow. Yeah. Isn't that gorgeous? Yep. And this is just one of those trails and views that the camera won't do it justice. I mean, as gorgeous as it's going to be, the footage, this is a blessing. Thank you. Good morning, sunshine. Yeah, Todd and I come down out of the mountains and met up with the ladies and Little Britches.
Perfect timing.
Yep,
Yeah.
that was good.